I bought this so I could put it in my refrigerator and see if it can replace my lifelong use of Arm & Hammer baking soda that I keep in my refrigerator to absorb and mask smells from either stinky food we have or food that's getting old. It's just something we do because our grandmothers did it, their grandmothers did it. It's what we do. So look at the size difference, first of all. Second of all, this thing lasts 10 years. It's like magic. 10 years. It requires no maintenance, no cleaning it, no replacing filters. It's just a little magic device. And it can replace these, which you are supposed to be buying every 3 months. So about 1.5 years worth of these will replace this in cost. So, and you'll get 10 years. So you actually save money buying this. Second of all, it's small. Look how much smaller it is. It's durable as this is metal. It goes in the back of your refrigerator really easily tucked into a corner. Now, aside from refrigerators, do you know that you can actually put this like in a stinky teenage boy's closet and it will absorb the smell from their stinky shoes? So this isn't just for refrigerators. You can put this in any room or place in the house that you want it to absorb the odors. Now, I want to tell you how it works. So the magic in it is that it uses some catalytic decomposition technology. Now, what that is, I have no idea. But what it does is it will eliminate odors rather than masking the smell. It decomposes harmful odor causing gases like those from rotting food into neutral water molecules, neutralizing them at the source. It just works. It doesn't require any power, any chemicals, anything. So if you are looking for a really cool little gadget to put either in a bathroom, in a shoe closet, in your refrigerator, this definitely has multiple uses.